This 1959 Chevrolet El Camino has been transformed into a 409 tri-power Restomod, even though neither the 409 engine nor its three-carburetor setup was factory available for the first-generation El Camino. The 409 debuted in 1961, after the original El Camino had left production. The custom build uses a 409 big block with 3 two-barrel carburetors, paired with a 3-speed transmission and B&M shifter. It also features a vintage air conditioning system, power disc brakes with a dual master cylinder, and 15-inch rally-style wheels. The El Camino was introduced for 1959, with buyers offered an inline-six, 283 cubic inch V8, or 348 big block. Chevrolet produced 22,246 examples that year. This particular El Camino was sold in 2024 for $36,000, or $37,800 including the buyer's fee.